had you picked up instead of killing you because you're not a violent man and you don't deserve to die.
Thank you.
But you have very deep ties to Al-Qaeda, which I want to ask you about before you get sent to your next location, which might be Israel. However, depending on how candid you are today, I may be able to keep you here in Pakistan.
What do you want to know?
I'm going to ask you a series of questions based on your knowledge of Al-Qaeda and your role as chief financier for the organization.
I've already dealt with the Mukhabarat. I have no wish to be tortured again. Ask me a question, I can answer it.
What can you tell me about Atiya al-Rahman?
He works for Zawahiri. He's in charge of military tactics.
In what context have you heard the name used, Abu Ahmed?
He works for Faraj and Bin Laden. He's actually his most trusted courier.
What makes you say that?
He's brought me many messages from the Sheikh.
When did you last see him and where is he now?
You'll never find him.
Why is that?
Even I couldn't find him. He always contacted me out of the blue. He's one of the disappeared ones.
Is there anything else that you need to be telling me right now?
I have relationships, I have connections. I could give you dates, where people are meeting, but I want each answer to be recognized. I want credit for each answer that I give you.
We'll see.